Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lauren if you're new here, and today I'm going to show you how to use an essential oil inhaler. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Okay, so if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I would absolutely love it. I post all kinds of videos, but today we're talking about essential oil inhalers, and I'm going to show you exactly how I make mine and how you can make one at home. I have been lucky enough to help over 100,000 people learn how to use essential oils, so I'm super excited to help you today. And this is probably one of my favorite ways to utilize my essential oils. One, because it's super easy, it's super simple, and it's super portable. So I take my inhalers literally everywhere with me. But I also love this because if you have children or pets or people in the home that maybe necessarily don't like or don't want to smell your essential oils, this is a really nice personal way to still get the benefits of your essential oils. So I'm going to show you how to make an essential oil inhaler. So first of all, I have a box full of empty inhalers. I got this on Amazon, I think for like $13. So what it comes with is the actual holder for the wick, and then it comes with your cotton wicks. So I'm going to show you what one of those looks like. So it comes with a cotton wick, and then it also comes with a lid. So this lid will go over this container here, and then you'll also need a cap to cap the end of it so it actually stays in there. Another amazing thing about essential oil inhalers is they literally last for months. As long as you're storing them properly and you have them in a cool, dry place, then these will literally last you months. So I'm gonna go ahead and make it. So I have my lid, I have my holder, I have my cap, and I have my wick. And I'm going to also make a free download for you guys of tons of different recipes that you can use in inhalers for different things like headaches, digestion. You can use them for focus, energy, sleep, literally any benefit that you can receive from essential oils aromatically, you can use an essential oil inhaler for. So I'll include a free download. The link will be in the description if you want to get it. But today I'm going to make a really simple essential oil inhaler for easing discomforts of digesting food, or if you have maybe upset stomach issues at times. With the holidays coming up, I know I'm probably going to have a few cookies, and sometimes that upsets my stomach. So I'm going to use 2 essential oils. You can use many different essential oils together, but I'm going to use 2 essential oils. I'm going to use ginger and peppermint together. So when you're using an essential oil inhaler, you want to use between 20 to 30 drops total on your cotton wick. I don't have it with me today, but another little tip that I can give you when you're actually loading up your cotton wick with your essential oils is to use either stainless steel or a glass bowl to actually put the wick in and drop the essential oils on the wick while it's in the bowl. And then you can use tweezers to kind of move the wick around to absorb any of the oil that might have missed the wick. But today I'm just going to drop it right on it. And I'm going to use 15 drops of each of these oils that I have, since that will make 30 drops total on my wick. So you can kind of just tap it on there. Doesn't really matter where you put the oil, as long as your cotton wick is fully saturated with, and again, with about 30 drops of essential oil, anywhere between 20 and 30 drops. And then I'm going to insert the wick into this container here. I'm going to put the cap on it, and you can see the top. You might have actually seen things like this. I know like Vicks makes like inhalers that you can buy at like CVS and places like that. This is obviously a much more healthy and safe way to use these inhalers, but you can see the top has little holes, so you'll actually use this to inhale and get the aromatic benefits of your essential oils. And then the lid will keep the oils in there so they're not dispersing throughout the air when you have it in your purse or your pocket, wherever. This is really discreet. You can literally fit this probably in your wallet, almost anything. And to actually use your inhaler, this is how I recommend. So you open it, and then I recommend taking 3 to 5 deep breaths at a time. And then in between those 5 deep breaths, I'd say do it about 3 times. So like 15 total really deep inhales and exhales. With this, you can put it, if it's just you using it, you can put it like right up against your nose, or you can just kind of like waft it under your nose, but just like that. And you'll receive the benefits of your essential oils. This is one of the most effective ways to receive therapeutic benefits from your essential oils. I've learned this from numerous different certified aromatherapists who have actually told me that. So that's why I wanted to show the personal inhalers to you guys so that you know how to use it, you know how to load it up. This one has a little label on it, so I would definitely recommend labeling like what it is or how many drops of each oil you put in there. And then if you want to, you can at some point, maybe months down the road when it's starting to fade away, because the aroma will fade away, you can take the wick out of here. I would recommend, because this lid is a little tough to get off, but I would recommend getting a really strong paper clip and sticking it through the holes on the top to push this cap off. You can take that cotton wick out. You can either reload that same cotton wick with the same essential oils or different ones, or you can use a completely new cotton wick and load it up again. So these are reusable. There are other types and different looking personal inhalers out there on the market. Some are made really nice with like glass and stainless steel. You can utilize your essential oils in any of those different personal inhalers the same way as what I just showed you today. So hopefully this was helpful. Go ahead and download those free recipes that I'll have in the description for you, and go ahead in the comments, tell me, have you used a personal inhaler before? And if you haven't, which of these recipes that I'm giving you in the description you're excited to try out? And if you have, tell me how you like your inhalers, or tell me even better, one of your favorite blends that you use inside of your inhaler. So hopefully this was helpful. You can subscribe to my channel down below here, and you can turn on the bell for notifications so you get notified every time I make one of these helpful videos. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.